So yesterday, I got not one, not two, but three phone calls from Mr. Pinnacle Credit himself. Andrew. Honestly, I'm still not even sure what his real name is. So he goes on to apologize, whatever, and claim he's going to remove everything off of YouTube and everywhere else, make an apology video. He did remove some stuff, but there's still pictures of my daughter. There's still the stuff about David Stanley. So my thing is, if he was really sorry, like he said, he would remove it from everywhere, not just YouTube, but his website, his Instagram, his Facebook, because all that information is there too. So Mr. Andrew, whatever your name really is, I'll leave a link in the description of the video as well as the comments to the deal that I offered you, and that's still the same deal, and that's the best deal you're gonna get. Take it or leave it. Otherwise, I am gonna sue you for the things that you've done, and my lawyer says I have a great case against you. So it's kind of too late for I'm sorries, and you showed by the phone call and everything's still on your page and you're still posting stuff. So you're not sorry, you're worried about your image, which on YouTube I don't know why you're worried about it. I mean, I'm assuming most of the people that watch your channel are the names you created. I could be wrong, but anyway, again, that's the deal. Take it or leave it. Otherwise, I'll leave you with this: $100,000 ain't nothing compared to what the lawsuit will be. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or call me. You have my number.